from the tech department at Permagreen. So you have no spark? Might be in the wiring. Take a 3/8" socket. We're going to take out these 2 front screws. Fast and easy on a Permagreen. We'll tilt this hood forward. Get some wire cutters here. I'm going to cut these plastic tie straps. Not the hoses, not the wiring, just the plastic tie straps. Pretty simple on a Permagreen. On the Triumph, 2 blacks, 2 browns, a red, and a white. If we disconnect these 2 blacks, these are bullet connectors. Thought it through in case you ever had to change a start module. So when you disconnect these 2 blacks, if you put the machine in neutral, make sure it's in neutral, have the brakes on, and start this machine. If it fires right up, your problem is the start module. We have these in stock for both the Honda and the Vanguard. Now keep in mind, this is for testing purposes only. We do not recommend you run this machine with these disconnected. They're here for a reason, for your safety. So if you need a start module, we've got them. 800-346-2001. Order one now, or you can get your parts online too. Do it that way, permagreen.com. If that took care of your problem, great. If not, go to the next video.